Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can add the light beams video effect to your clips in CapCut PC. So you can find that vibrating beams of light effect. This is the new Pro effect from CapCut. You have to join Progress to be able to use this effect. So for example, I'm just going to select as images. Um, you are just going to select erect and select vibrating beams light and just duration and check it out. You can adjust for the erect, color strength, glow, and speed. So you can also combine with transition effect, clip. So this is the final effect you'll have in your video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.